Stickman animation creation step-by-step explanation with screenshots. First, use easy apps like Stick Notes or Pivot Animator. Then open the app, add a stick figure. It's already available in most apps. Then move hands, legs a little bit of the figure and save the frame. To give motion-like effect, you have to repeat multiple frames like this. Keep moving parts slightly in each frame, more frames for smoother animation. Make walking, jumping, fighting by changing poses in each frame. Then you have to select the speed of the frames. For smooth animations, select 10 to 15 FPS means frames per second. To check the animation, click play and then click export and select MP4 or GIF. To add sound or music to your video, use apps like CapCut and finally click share and select download MP4 video. Follow tips like small movements each frame, more frames for smooth animation and don't jump big positions. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe.